What's up, workout buddies? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fast-paced yoga routine that's going to get your heart rate up and burn those calories fast. This workout might be a little bit hard if you're completely new to yoga, but just try your best and you will end up reaping all the benefits anyways. If you guys like routines like this one, tap that subscribe button and join my YouTube fam and become my next workout buddy. Anyways, let's get started. We're starting off in child's pose. Let's enjoy a few calm breaths before we get into our vigorous, fast-paced routine. From here, palms flat on the floor and push those hips up to the sky. Downward facing dog. Walk your dog a little bit, pedal those feet back and forth and really loosen up those tight calves. Now, full-blown downward facing dog. Hips high and heels low. Inhale, lift your right leg up to the sky. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, right knee to forehead. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, right knee to right tricep. Let's keep it here for 3 breaths. Straighten your arms, engage your abs and that muscle that's holding your right leg up. 1 more breath. Now inhale, right leg up to the sky again. Exhale, right foot steps in between your hands. When you're ready, chest on your right knee. Open your arms to the side like wings, balancing lunge. Inhale with the strength of your core, come up to crescent pose. Arms shooting up to the sky. Dip a little deeper into your lunge with your hips. Look up to the sky and bend slightly backwards if you decide. Nice, everyone. Exhale, back to balancing lunge, chest to knee. We're doing that 4 more times for a total of 5. Inhale, crescent, bend back if you decide. Exhale, chest to knee. Inhale, crescent lunge, glance up to the sky. Exhale, chest to knee, balancing lunge. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, balancing lunge, arms to the side. Inhale, very last chance, crescent lunge, arms up to the sky. Exhale, chest to knee. From here, just bring your hands back to the floor and bring your right leg back to plank pose. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, lower slow to the floor. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, chin taps to the floor, push up, and go all the way to downward facing dog. Nice, everyone. Now it's time to do the other side. Thank God we're not a centipede. We only have 2 legs to do. Alright. Inhale, left leg up to the sky. Exhale, left knee to right elbow. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, left knee to forehead. Inhale, left leg all the way up. Exhale, left knee to left tricep. Hold it for 3 breaths. Straighten those arms, straighten your core, and straighten that muscle that's holding the left leg up. Nice, guys. Now inhale, left leg back to the sky. Exhale, step it in between your hands. When you're ready, hands off the floor. Hands out to the side like wings. Balancing lunge on the left side. Inhale, come on up to crescent pose. Stretch back if you want. Exhale, chest to leg back to previous pose. Balancing lunge. Alright guys, 4 more chances. Enjoy while you can. Inhale, crescent pose. Exhale, chest to knee. Inhale, crescent. Exhale, chest to knee. 2 more, guys. Inhale, crescent. Shoot those arms up high. Exhale, chest to knee. Last chance. Inhale, crescent to your personal sweet spot. Very nice, guys. Exhale, chest to knee. Place your palms on the floor and bring your left leg back to plank pose. Inhale, high plank pose. Exhale, lower slow. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, chin to the floor, push up and go all the way to downward facing dog. We're moving on to the next flow. It's very similar to what we just did, but not exactly, so listen carefully. And we're gonna go fast to get that heart rate up and burn those calories. Alright, from here, inhale, right leg to the sky. Exhale, step it in between your hands. Inhale, press to crescent pose. Exhale, hands to the floor, runner's lunge. Inhale, bring your right leg back to plank pose. Exhale, lower slow. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, chin to the floor, same exhale, push up and go all the way to down dog. Inhale, left leg to the sky. Exhale, left foot steps in between your hands. Inhale, crescent pose. Stretch back if you decide. Exhale, hands to the floor. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, lower slow. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, chin taps, push up, and go all the way to downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg to the sky. Exhale, right foot in between your hands. Inhale, crescent pose. Nice, everyone. Exhale, hands to the floor. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, lower slow. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, chin to the floor, push up, and go to down dog pose. Yep, we're gonna just keep doing that for a while, but it's almost over, so enjoy while you can, guys. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, left foot steps in between your hands. Inhale, crescent pose. Exhale, hands to the floor. Inhale, left foot steps back to plank pose. Exhale, lower slow. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, chin to the floor, push up, and go all the way to down dog pose. You guys should know what's coming next by now. Inhale, right leg high, yep. Exhale, step it in between your hands. Inhale, come on up to crescent. Exhale, hands back to the floor. Inhale, right leg back to plank pose. Exhale, lower slow. Inhale, cobra or up dog, you decide. Exhale, chin to the floor, push up, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, left foot steps in between your hands. Inhale, crescent pose. Nice, guys. Exhale, hands to the floor. Inhale, leg goes back to plank pose. Exhale, lower slow. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, chin to the floor, push up, and go all the way to downward facing dog. We're just doing 2 more on each side. Let's go, guys. Inhale, right leg up to the sky. Exhale, right foot steps in between those hands. Inhale, crescent pose. Exhale, hands to the floor. Inhale, right leg back to plank pose. Exhale, lower slow. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, chin to the floor, push up to down dog. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, left foot steps in between the hands. Inhale, come on up to crescent. Exhale, hands back to the floor. Inhale, left leg back to plank pose. Exhale, lower slow. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, chin to the floor. Push up and go all the way to downward facing dog. Last chance, guys. Try to breathe with me this time, only if it feels good to you. Inhale, right leg up to the sky. Exhale, step it in between your hands. Inhale, come with strength and balance, crescent pose. Exhale, hands to the floor. Inhale, right leg back to plank pose. Exhale, lower slow. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, chin to the floor, push up and go to downward facing dog pose. From down dog, inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, step it in between the hands. Inhale, come up with all your might, full-blown crescent pose. Exhale, hands back to the floor. Inhale, left leg goes back to plank pose. Exhale, lower slow. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, chin to the floor, push up and go back to down dog pose. And there's no more to go. From down dog, drop your knees to the floor. Push your hips back to child's pose. Forehead on the ground, arms by your side, palms facing upward. Great job, guys. Amazing job, guys. Be sure to drop a thumbs up if you like that workout. That way I'll know if I should make more of them. Anyways, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys really, really soon.